Based on this information, it determines the required actions, creates an execution plan, and identifies the appropriate teams responsible for completing each task. Using the case context and impacted inventory information, the email generation agent creates a structured removal or disposition notification. The generated draft includes the affected items, lots, locations, quantities, required actions, and any relevant priority information. The generated email is presented to the materials management team through an action app. Users can review the proposed communication, make any necessary edits, validate recipients, and approve the message before it is sent. In future automated scenarios, this review step can be bypassed, allowing the email to be sent automatically without user intervention. Once approved, the Send Email RPA sends a finalized removal or disposition email to the appropriate stakeholders and records the delivery status as part of the case history. When required, clinical staff receive a verification task through an action app. This step confirms that the impacted inventory has been removed from clinical areas, point-of-use locations, or other affected departments. Any exceptions or findings are captured as part of the verification process. As we submit the action, the automation updates ERP records when necessary. Inventory status, location information, quarantine flags, or other operational updates are applied here. If a task cannot be completed, the process follows the execution exception path. The case is escalated for additional review, corrective action, or exception handling before proceeding further. Once all remediation activities have been completed and verified, the RPA automation performs the final ERP updates. Inventory records, disposition status, and any required system of record changes are applied to ensure the ERP accurately reflects the final outcome of the event. The audit and narrative agent reviews the complete case history and automatically generates a comprehensive audit summary. In Final Data Fabric Update, the final disposition, audit narrative, ERP update results, and closure details are stored in Data Fabric. The case record is updated with completion timestamps and marked as closed, creating a complete and traceable history of the event. This completes the end-to-end recall management process.